So I have an iPhone 6. Yes, I said iPhone 6 that I bought in 2016. And the battery, let's just say, had a better days and it dies all the time. But at the same time, I don't feel like buying a new one because I don't want to spend so much money right now on a phone. So I decided to look for an alternative, which is a new battery. So I went to AliExpress and I found this brand. It's called Essenger, I think, and it has batteries for different iPhones from 5S to much newer versions. And as you can see, the price, it depends which one you buy. It's not that expensive, cheaper than a new iPhone. So this is the one I bought, and it comes with the battery and a few tools, as you can see here on the screen. And I want to show you how how it's changing. So let's start with the tutorial.